In previous videos, we asked you whether you want a complete IELTS course on this channel, and many of you gave us a very positive response. So we are happy to announce that we are going to start our complete IELTS course very soon. But before starting the classes, we want to discuss the IELTS course syllabus with you. Please support us and encourage us so we can complete this course successfully. And for your convenience, we have pinned this syllabus on our Instagram account, so you can check it anytime. You can find the link to our Instagram account in the description. Now, let's quickly discuss the syllabus. First of all, we will start with an introduction to IELTS. In this part, we will explain what IELTS is, why students need IELTS for study, work, and immigration, the difference between general training and academic IELTS, the IELTS band system, the exam structure, and the timing system of the test. After that, we move to Module 1, Listening. In listening, we will cover all 4 sections. Section 1 focuses on daily life conversations, including form filling, spellings, numbers, key information, and common traps. Section 2 covers monologues, where we will practice map questions, directions, instructions, and prediction techniques. Section 3 is about academic discussions, with multiple speakers, MCQs, matching questions, opinions, and fast speakers. Section 4 focuses on academic lectures, including note completion, academic vocabulary, structure, keywords, and synonyms. Then comes Module 2, Reading. Here, we will explain the difference between academic and general reading, along with time management, skimming, and scanning techniques. We will practice all question types such as true, false, not given, matching headings, MCQs, sentence and summary completion, diagram labeling, and short answer questions. Next is Module 3, Writing, which is very important for most students. In Task 1, we will cover graphs, charts, tables, maps, process diagrams, writing overviews, comparisons, and common grammar mistakes. In Task 2, we will teach Band 7+ essay structure, all essay types, and detailed writing of introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion, along with idea generation techniques. After that, we have Module 4, Speaking. We will explain the speaking test format and scoring criteria and work on fluency, vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. In Part 1, we will practice common questions and answer extension techniques. In Part 2, we will teach cue card strategy, 1-minute preparation, storytelling, and linking ideas. In Part 3, we will focus on abstract questions, giving opinions, examples, and using advanced grammar for higher bands. Again, we inform you we have pinned this syllabus on our Instagram account, so you can check it anytime. You can find the link to our Instagram account in the description. So this is our complete IELTS course syllabus, designed to help you achieve a higher band score step by step. If you like this plan, support us, share this video, and stay connected, because the classes are starting very soon.